how to make and create a LinkedIn story on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com and log in to your account or create one. It's very easy. Now this is the home page. Go to the top, click on create a design and search for LinkedIn right here. Scroll down until you find LinkedIn story. After you click on LinkedIn story, now choose a template. You have many templates here, as you can see. For example, this one or this one, and you can change the pictures, the text, and everything. Also the colors, you can add the color that you want. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.